Good morning, friends. Chef Margie at Urbana Farmstead. My garden project today is to plant the perfect companions for my strawberries, which you can see are peeking up now from the soil. We've already planted the borage and the marigolds, the mint marigolds, as well as some onions. You can see here in the strawberry bed, we have some nice companions with our strawberries. The borage, it's a fantastic companion plant for most of the vegetables, but particularly for strawberries. The minerals that are in that plant actually help the strawberries taste better. If you're not using borage in your kitchen, you should. It's full of potassium, calcium, and vitamin C. You can eat the blossoms fresh in salads, use them as a garnish, or dry them and make a delicious tea. I like to plant marigolds a lot in my garden. In this strawberry bed, I've already planted 4 plants of the sweet mace. You can see here. Each of the corners of this strawberry bed have the marigolds planted. And they'll get quite large. They'll be around 3 feet. So I couldn't plant them too many in this bed because, you know, you want to be able to have room for all your other vegetables and strawberries to grow. But they are wonderful along with the caraways and the onions at repelling pests. So the caraways particularly, they attract the parasitic flies and wasps, and those tiny little beneficial insects are voracious eaters of grubs and cutworms, beetles, and other pests. And so we want to have those in here. Today we're going to focus on 2 kinds of spinach. We're going to do the Bloomsdale long-standing spinach and also the orange. And this is a red spinach. So you're probably wondering, why would I plant spinach in with my strawberries? Well, it's important because the spinach actually grows taller than the strawberries, which will actually shield the berries from the birds. So the green Bloomsdale long-standing will be planted. You can see right now I have a strawberry right here, and I will plant right here on the other side of it, and then I'll plant the red ones. And so they'll grow up to be about 18 inches, between 14 and 18 inches tall. I'll try to pick them young so I can use them in my salads as fresh green in my salads. But what I'll do is I'll plant them near there so that as they grow, they will just almost provide a covering for the tops of the berries. This borage is pretty interesting. So this oric is pretty interesting, this red spinach. So it's an ancient spinach. They used to call it the mountain spinach, and it was very popular until the green one kind of took over. And what it does is it basically, you can use it just like you would use for Swiss chard. You can use it in salads, in soups, quiches. And in Italy, they actually oftentimes cook it with pasta and rice or risotto, and it gives it that beautiful, attractive pink coloration. What's also interesting about this plant, you can eat the stems, the leaves, and also the seeds. The seeds are edible. You can grind them into flour, add them to soups, breads, cereals. So that's our project for the day. Happy planting.